How to put a background image behind a reel in your story. So if you want to put a background image behind the reels in your story, then you just need to simply go with the reels option. And once you're here, you just need to simply tap on the share icon, which is here on the bottom right, and then tap on add to your story. And once you tap on add to story, it will add to your story, right? So you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that stickers option, and then go with photo. And here you just need to simply choose a photo that you would like to add to your background. So now once you've choose the image, what you need to do is you just need to simply put aside your reel and then enlarge your background image, and again drag your reel on top of that image. So it's only possible on iPhone or iOS devices, but if you have your Android, then it's not possible. So if you're using your iPhone devices, then it's possible that you can add a background image behind a reel in your story in this way. But if you're using Android, then you don't have any option to put a background image behind the reels in your story. What you need to do is simply go with the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and then go with draw. Once you go with draw, now you can simply choose a color. And once you've chosen the color, you can simply add that color, and in this way you can add your background. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.